Bracana, a small village in Andalucia. It's got about 400 people, but in summer this will double when all the families come home to visit in August. This is the top bus stop. The 1 o'clock bus leaves from here, and that's Monday to Friday. On Saturday, the 9:30 bus. You can come up here and do some exercise. The mechanic is over here. And this is where people come to stroll in the evenings. You can see the factory where they make the cold meats. Fábrica de embutidos. You can get a souvenir. Something to take away from Bracana. Some really good cold meats and cheeses. In the distance you can see Tocon. It's 3 kilometers, so you can go for a walk there or borrow one of the 3 bikes at Casa Cleopa holiday rental. If you want to go for a decent hike, you can see Parapanda in the distance. You can start at any point and go up to the top or around the sides. This is the road out of Bracana, which will take you to Alamartes and Iora. Lots of walking, cycling, whatever you like to do, or just to go for a country drive. Bracana, Casa Cleopa holiday rental. Look it up in Airbnb.